boys and girls, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous whatever it is today? I'm guessing a Tuesday. Yeah, let's call it a Tuesday. And it's easily the best, the sweetest, the warmest day in New York City so far this year. This morning when I rode, I actually recorded the previous gas tank question about how long I've been riding and whatever, that vlog, if you see it. I recorded it this morning and it was 50 degrees and it was literally chilly. I was chilly. And guess what? Right now it's 75, 20 degree difference during the day. And yeah, look at this gross wet shit here. Anyway, so I decided to go for a nice chill ride. It's 4 p.m. It's Tool Tuesday actually, so I'm probably gonna go to Tool Tuesday after this, but I don't ride there because it's a 5-minute walk from my house. So I decided to casually, slowly cruise back home. Instead of doing the BQE and highway and all that stuff, I'll just slowly work my way locally. And today is a gas tank question day. That's right. I might as well read out this question and start talking about it while I'm moving at a slow pace with no cars around. So Melon Ellen has asked the question: is there something you like to change about yourself, and why? Jesus Christ. You know, these are not the kind of questions I like to answer, I'll be honest with you. These are the kind of questions that I avoid. And I avoid them in personal life, and obviously on the vlog I usually answer the low-hanging fruit. I usually answer questions about what kind of bikes I like, or like shit like that. But this one is a little bit more reflective. This one is a little bit more about life and real purpose. So, right? Awesome. Yeah, I'm sweating my balls off as well. It's legit, it became summer all of a sudden. That's funny. Anyway, I like to change a lot about myself. I'm just gonna go down the list of things I'd like to change, and as to why, some things maybe I'll need to explain why, but I feel like a lot of the things will be pretty self-explanatory. I think it'll be pretty straightforward as to why one would like to change that about him or herself. First thing, bad habits. I'm just gonna say right away, bad habits is the worst thing. I'm talking about drinking, I'm talking about smoking, whatever, drugs, eating bad food, What is happening here? Going? Yeah, so much for being casual, right? So it's the bad habits. It's like I have a very addictive personality on many different levels. Whether it's sleeping, eating, freaking drinking, whatever, you name it. Like riding, camping. Some habits are good and some habits are terrible, you know, that's the difference. But I go into it like I don't have any reason to restrict myself. Like I feel like this is like a very deep topic, and I don't want to get all sad and weird, but I feel oftentimes like I don't give a fuck, you know. I have an attitude of not giving a shit, which is a terrible attitude to have, you know. A rotten attitude. There's a cop behind me and I'm doing this shit. This is not good. So that's why, like, I know what it's like to fucking die and lose your life for no fucking reason, untimely, have it robbed from you. So I can see how one person would like to preserve themselves after a second like that, and other people kind of enjoy themselves more. Whoa, that chick was cute. So I'm kind of like, you know, fuck it, do whatever it is you want. You want to drink that extra beer at the end of the night, who gives a shit? Do it. You know, like, I am a responsible person. Like, even though I can be a complete jerk off and I don't care about, like, whatever myself, like the introduction to this whole vlog, I am a responsible person because I get my work done. Even this vlog, like, I got a place to live, I got a job, I have my family who I take care of. You know, like, I'm obviously not just like, fuck it, like, dismiss everybody. But at the same time, I do whatever the hell I want. You know, like, I sleep as much as I want, I drink as much as I want, I eat whatever I want, whenever I want. And it's like, that's the thing, because, like, a lot of my friends have kids, a lot of my friends have more responsibility than me, you know, and they have more restrictions. I mean, everybody has restrictions. Obviously, I have restrictions as well, whether it's, you know, whatever. You know, I'm not talking about absolutes here. So that's why I kind of, like, do whatever I want, if that makes sense. It's a terrible way to be, and having an addictive personality is horrible. So one thing I'd like to change is that, being addicted to shit, good and bad. Thing number two, because just to finish thing number one, the addiction and, like, having more control and, like, discipline, it's better for you at the end, you know, because it's like, the amount of money and time I waste on stupid shit is disgusting, and you only have one life to live. You literally have one life, and I treat it like I have 100 lives, because I don't give a fuck. Maybe one day I'll get deeper into this. All right, let's move on. Thing number two, being nicer to people. Yes, being nicer to people. I feel like I am nicer to complete strangers than I am to people who I like, or people who like me, or people who I love. You know, like, there's a disproportionate amount of bullshit that I put onto people I like the most. That's why sometimes friendships, relationships, whatever, is strained. Look at this motherfucker. Yeah, so that's unfortunate. So I would like to be nicer to people, and I feel like every single time I'm explaining one of these points, like, I'm telling you why, you know, why. It's like, why do I want to be nicer to people? I don't have to explain that, you know. I think people know why one wants to be nicer. Oh, that's fine. What do we got here? Ooh. So what else is there? What else do I want to change about myself? Obviously, I want to change the bike. You know, I want a fucking new bike. That's something I want to change about myself. What a fucking lovely machine this is. Bro, what are you doing? Look at this fucking bus. It's pulling out into this intersection. So, that's one other thing. Lifestyle is so important. Even, like, working out, you know, and being, like, more active. Plus, I've been just fucking lazy lately, you know, like this whole wait, is there, like, school buses that are, like, pulling over, so that's why I can't go outside? I don't even know where the hell I am. I'm gonna go straight. It's fine. This is okay. Yeah, because I've been like missing opportunities and slacking and not doing certain things simply because I'm preoccupied with bullshit. So I gotta take advantage of the life I'm given, because none of this shit is permanent, you know? None of this shit is permanent. How you doing? These are the kids. These are the cool kids who one day will be riding motorcycles. You know, one day. What else can I say? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, but I should probably slow down because these children are swarming around here. They're swarming. Let's see, what else is there? What else do I want to change? What else do I want different in my life? Treating people, diet, exercise. Jeez Louise. Alright, I'll go left here. Why not? Change it up a little bit. Don't usually go here. Seems to be no traffic here. I would like to change. Yeah, see like it's all, that's pretty much it. I mean, like that's it's a big topic, but the anger that I feel, the injustice. My father was murdered in Moscow on a business trip, and I never taken any sort of treatment, never done any sort of you know, psychological evaluation of any sort. I'm not sure what's going on here. So I sort of I'm dealing with a lot of anger issues that are not settled, and I burst out. And there's only so many excuses you can make for yourself before you go ahead. You going? No? Oh, fine. Before you realize that you need to just fucking get help, you know? So a lot of my I don't give a fuck attitude doesn't only come from fucking listening to hip-hop. It also comes from just being an angry little boy. So that's one thing I would like to do. I have never been to therapy. I've never talked to therapy. Like, I know it would help me. I know, because sometimes that's why I do this stupid fucking vlog, because sometimes I have conversations with myself, and the conversations with myself, these vlogs help me, you know, and I figure shit out, and I'm kind of like, oh, this is why it's happening. And I can only imagine what would happen if I spoke with a professional who actually whose job it is actually to, you know, do all this and to discuss all this and to help people. Yeah. So what do you guys think about all that? What a weird vlog. What a weird topic. I want to change a lot about myself. That's the only thing I want to do, is fucking change. It's all I care about. Yet I do nothing about it. I do absolutely nothing to change. Nothing to change. And right now, I could just keep riding. I could fucking go to, I don't care, wherever. It's just like I'm so stuck in my ways. Like the stupid dials right here, you know? These stupid fucking dials. I have a new set that I bought a week later, a few days later. I have to send them out and get the new ones back. Take a week. And I just don't ride for a week. And I sit on that task for fucking months now. Since August. It's April. It's 8 months that I've been riding without dials. I'm not complaining, you know. That's one thing. I'm not a victim. That's the beauty of life, is I'm not a victim. I'm a student. And everything is a lesson as opposed to fucking some sort of a punishment from supreme fucking ordinance, or fucking like, poor me. I gotta shake that off. It's like, fuck everybody, including myself. It's all irrelevant. It's all love. What a mess. What a mess. At the end of the day, everything is everything. Funny thing is, this vlog like means a lot to me, but it'll probably get just as many views as any other vlog, because this is just a diary. This is a video diary, and I thank you for listening. Bye bye.